working on this for a long time, and one of the things that drives me personally is changing the world for the better. And so I used to say like I want to save the world, like literally that's what we're trying to do, is save the world. But then I've kind of changed it to like save myself. And so in order to save myself, like my first thing is like changing my surroundings. And so coming out of traditional like household and moving into like a more mindful setting and bringing people in that also want to live more mindfully.
In terms of like trying to make it a community garden, we've had some friends come out and help. One of our friends, Kevin, he came out and helped us kind of redo and take out all the grass and till up the garden and cover it up with a tarp. And hopefully eventually once we get the garden going again, then the people that have come and helped will also be able to get some of the food at the end whenever we're ready to harvest it.
Instead of fighting the things that you don't like, we're trying to build the things that we do like. One thing that makes us a little different than normal society is that we are working together. So the community supports itself. You don't have to raise your children alone. You don't have to be the only one making the income. And you have a support system that is here for you. And it's like, I really love the word chosen family. So you get to choose your family, and you get these mindful people that are helping you create a life that you enjoy and that serves you, and so that you can be passionate and live how you want to live.
Come on, guys. Come on. She's like, I'm out. Recently had a friend, our friend Luke made us campsite signs, and this is Shady Nest.
So living mindfully to me is just moving through life consciously. And there's different levels of that, but the community is who shows up. And so, we've had a few regular people that show up to help the house. We've got a few different regular people coming to help with the garden. And so really it's the people that come that are going to help create the guidelines for the community. And we all kind of work in harmony to keep our community going.